Welcome student, I am Professor Sunil Chinte. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic that is the date objects and the math objects. Date objects are useful with the dates and the times, and the math objects are useful for the mathematical operations. Math objects provide different properties and the functions that are useful for the mathematical operations. Okay, and the date objects are used with the dates and the times. Date objects are the built-in data types. Okay, in previous sessions we already discussed about the different data types that can be used in JavaScript. So, date object is the built-in data types. Okay, let's see one by one in details. Okay. Date objects. Okay, date object is an inbuilt data type of a JavaScript language. I already told you date object is the inbuilt data type in a JavaScript, and it is used or it is work with the date and the times. Okay, date object is useful to get the date and the times. Means date object is useful or it is used with the date and times. The date object is created by using the new keywords. Okay, means if you want to create the date object, that times you have to use the new keywords. By using the new keywords, you can create the date objects. Okay, that is the syntax is new and the constructor of that date objects. Okay, there are different ways, there are the four ways through which we can create the date objects. Okay, there are the four different ways through which we can create the date object in a JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript these four different ways are as follows. The first one, that is the new date, that is the constructor with the zero arguments. Second, a constructor with one argument, that is the millisecond. Third, a constructor with the dash strings. And the fourth one with the different arguments such as year, month, date, hour, minutes, seconds, and the millisecond. So these are the four different ways through which we can create the date objects. Okay, by using the new operators. New operator is used to create the date objects, okay, in a JavaScript. But there are the different arguments that can be used with this constructor. Let's see one by one. Okay, the first methods or the first way through which we can create the date object, that the constructors of a date object doesn't get any arguments. Okay, means it doesn't require any parameters. The date constructor creates a date object which set the current date and the times depend on the browser's times. Okay, means the date objects can be created with the date constructor, okay, without parameters, that returns the current date and the times. Okay, that returns the current date and times depends on the browser's time zones. Okay, means this constructor of a date object will return the current date and times. Okay, that will be depends on the browser's time zones. Okay, it does not accept any value. Means this first way or the first techniques through which we can create the object, that the constructor doesn't takes any arguments, and by using that object we can get the current dates and the times. Okay, that will be depends on the browser time zone. So this is the syntax, okay, through which we can understand how we can create the object of the dates. Okay, so here you can find in the script types. Okay, under the script types I have defined one variable d equals to new date constructors. Okay, means this constructor doesn't have any parameters, means we are creating the object of a date, okay, with the new operators and the constructor, but constructor here, the constructor doesn't accept any parameters. So these methods or this object returns the current date and times. Current date and times depends on the browser time zones. Okay, so here you can find the outputs. Okay, जिस टाइम पे मैंने इसका आउटपुट लिया है वो टाइम यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई किया है, तो दैट इज दी 26 नवंबर 2020. ओके, 12:40 मीन्स दैट टाइम्स मैंने इसको एग्जीक्यूट किया होगा, उसका वो टाइम यहाँ पे शो करा. मीन्स बाय यूजिंग द constructor with the zero arguments you can create the date object that returns the current date and time. So this is the first way or the first technique through which we can create the date object. Second, through this one parameter that is called the millisecond. This accepts a single parameter that is called as the millisecond, which indicates any numerical value. Means the date object can be created by using the constructor with the one argument that is the milliseconds. Okay, that is the numerical value. This argument is taken as the internal numerical representations of a date in a milliseconds. Means this value considered as the millisecond. Here is the one examples. Okay, that requires the uh, one arguments. Okay, that requires the one arguments. Okay, the third techniques that takes the string value, that takes the string value to create the date objects. Okay, so these arguments or these methods or these constructor of a date object required one arguments that is called as a date strings. Okay, this method accept a single parameters. Okay, single parameter that is called as a strings, which indicates any string value, that indicates any string value. It is a string representations of dates and the it represents the dates and returns the data string with that day times. Okay, means here I have created one object of a date, okay, with the strings that is called as a November 17 2017. Okay, that is the I am getting that value with the object that will returns the date, that is the November 17 2017. Means by using the constructor with one parameter that is called the strings, that will also create the date objects. Okay, and the fourth techniques, okay, that takes different argument such as years, month, okay, date, hour, minutes, seconds. Okay, so these are the different parameters that can be used with the date constructor to create the date objects. Okay, means this is the four techniques through which we can create the date object, but this object takes the different arguments such as the year, month, date, hours. Okay, so here year integer value which represent the year. Okay, here the integer value represent the year. Okay, this should always specify the year in a full year, just like 2020 instead of just 20. Means this year arguments specify the full years. Okay, just like 2020, it will not show only 20. Similarly, month arguments, okay, that is the integer value, again integer value, which represent the month between the zeros and 11. The 11 represent the December. Similarly, date argument represent the date, okay, of a given month. Similarly, hour okay, that represent the hour. This integer value which represent the hour, okay, in a 24 hours. Okay. Similarly, minutes integer value which represent the minutes. Similarly, second and milliseconds. Okay, means by using these different arguments, you can also create the date objects. Okay, here is the one example through which we can understand how the date object can be created. It means that we can create the objects by using the date constructors. Okay, by using the date constructors, but with the different argument list. The first one without argument, and last three arguments, last three constructor takes some arguments. Okay, with the help of that arguments we can create the date objects. Okay, so these are the four different ways through which we can create the date objects. Okay, now let's see different methods of a date objects. The first one is the constructors. Okay, that is the constructor that represent the current day and times. Okay, date is the one type of methods. Okay, we can say it is the constructors that returns the present or the current day and times. Second method is the get dates. Okay, get date methods returns the day of specified dates. Okay, जो भी हम डेट स्पेसिफाई करेंगे उसमें से जो भी डेट है दैट विल बी रिटर्न बाय यूजिंग दी गेट डेट methods. Okay, means get date methods will return the day for the specified dates. Get day, it returns a day of a week for a specified date. जो भी specified date है उसमें से कौन सा डे है of a week that will be returned by this get day methods. Okay, means get day methods will return the day of weeks. Next is the get full years. Okay, this method will return year of the specified dates. जो भी specified date है उसमें से जो भी year है that will be returned by this method, that is called the get year, that is the get full years. Similarly, get year, this method returns the year in a specified date. Get hour methods returns hour in a specified dates. Okay, if you want to get the hours of a specified dates, that times we can use the get hours methods. Means if you want to get the hours from the given date, that times we can use the get hours. Similarly, if you want to get the dates and the times, that time we can use the date. So these are the methods through which we can get the current date and times, we can get the day of the month, we can get the day of the weeks. Okay, so by using these different methods we get the different values. Okay, another methods are the millisecond method, get minutes method, get month method, get second method, get time method, get set date methods, and set full year. These methods also used with these date objects. Means if you want to use this method, that times you have to use the date object. The first method is the get millisecond. Okay, it returns the millisecond in a specified date. Okay, जो भी specified dates है उसमें से जो भी millisecond है that will be returned by using the get millisecond methods. Similarly, get minutes, it also returns the minutes in a specified dates. Okay, get month, okay, that will return the specified date. Okay, that will return the specified date. Similarly, get second, that will return the second in a specified date. Okay, get times, okay, get times methods returns the date in a terms of numeric value as a millisecond. Means this method will return the value in a millisecond. Okay, similarly, if you want to set the date, that times we can use the set date methods. Okay, similarly, set full year method, that will set the full year of the specified dates. Okay, so these are some methods that can use with the date objects, okay, for the different purpose. Okay, so date objects is the built-in data types that can work with the dates and times. Okay, what is date object? The date object is the built-in data types that is used or that can be used with the dates and times. There are the four different techniques through which we can create the date objects. Okay, first one, without argument, that is the date constructor without arguments, and rest three with some argument. With this help of different four ways we can create the date objects, and these date objects have the different methods that can use with these date objects that I have already explained with you. Now we have to move about the math object. The next topic of this session is the math object. I already told you that the math object provides you properties and methods for the mathematical constant and the functions. Okay, means this math object provides the properties and methods. Okay, properties, okay, and the methods for the mathematical constants and the functions. Okay, means math object doesn't have the constructor. Okay, means जैसे बाकी के ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए कंस्ट्रक्टर होता है, okay, math doesn't have the constructor. All the properties and the methods of a math are the statics and can be called by using the math as an object without creating it. Okay, means the math object, okay, all the properties and the methods can invoke by using the math dot. Okay, means we can directly invoke the properties and methods by using the math dot. Okay, because it is the statics, because these are the static methods, so we can use the directly by using the math dot. But in other, we first create the object by using the constructor and then we invoke that methods and the properties. But here we can directly call just like math.ph, math.sign. Okay, so sign are the methods, okay, through which we can perform some operation. So how we can invoke? Directly by using the math dots. Okay, so what is a math object? Math object provides the properties and the methods for the mathematical constants and the functions. Okay, let's see some methods, okay, that are helpful for the mathematical operations. These methods are the absolute, okay, abs, then a cos, a sine, a tan, okay, then cell, cos, exponential, okay, max, mean, power, random, round, sine, square, root, tan. So these are different methods, okay, that can use with the math objects. Okay, let's see the meaning of every methods. Okay, absolute method returns the absolute value of a numbers. Okay, if you want to get the absolute value, okay, that times we can use this absolute method by using the math dot absolute methods. Similarly, if you want to return the if you want to return the sign value, returns the across sign, that is the numbers, that times we can use the across. Similarly, if you want to use the arc sine value, okay, arc cosine value and arc sine value, that time we use the a cos or a sine methods. Okay, means if you want to return the arc cosine value, that times we use the a cos methods. If you want to use the, if you want to return the arc sine value, that times we use the a sine. Similarly, we can use the sine method, cos methods and exponential methods. Here the Cost method return the cost values. Similarly, exponential method return the exponential values. Okay. Similarly, max, okay, that returns the largest, okay, of two numbers or more numbers. Okay, if you want to find the maximum number from the list, that times we use the max. Minimums, that will return the smallest value. Power, that will return the power of base raised to power, okay, means returns base to the exponent power, that is actually base exponent, okay, means it will return the power value. Randoms, that will generate the random numbers, okay. Route, that will return the value number rounded to the largest or the nearest numbers. Similarly, signs, that will the sign value. So similarly, if you want to perform different operations with the math, that times we can use this math object. So what is math object? So math objects have the different methods and the properties that can be used with the different methods, okay, but directly by using the math dot, okay, because the math are the statics, okay, math are the statics can be called using the math as an object without creating it. There is no need to create the math object, okay. So this is overall about the date and the math object. Thank you.